In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the free Download Manager extension for Google Chrome, so you can enjoy enhanced downloading capabilities completely free. Adding this extension is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step, ensuring you have it up and running in no time. First, start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. If you're using another browser, make sure to switch to Chrome for this process, as the extension we're about to add is designed specifically for it. Once Chrome is open, direct your attention to the address bar at the top of your browser. Type in chromegoogle.com/webstore and press Enter. This will take you to the vast library of extensions available for Chrome, where you can enhance your browsing experience with a variety of tools. Next, in the Web Store page, you'll find a search box located prominently in the top middle section. Click on it and type Free Download Manager. This will help you locate the extension we are looking for. Once you've hit Enter, you'll be presented with a list of search results. Look for the Free Download Manager extension. It should appear among the first few results. Click on the Free Download Manager extension from this list. You'll be taken to the dedicated page for this extension, where you can find more information about its features and user reviews. On this page, you'll see a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Go ahead and click that. After clicking Add to Chrome, a pop-up will appear on your screen. This pop-up is Google's way of ensuring that you are aware of the permissions this extension will have. It's essential to read these permissions so you know how the extension will interact with your browser. Once you've reviewed the information, confirm your choice by clicking Add Extension. You'll know the installation is successful when the FDM icon appears in your Chrome toolbar, typically situated in the top right corner of your browser. If you don't immediately see it, don't worry. Simply click on the puzzle piece icon, which is your extensions menu. Here you can manage all your extensions. To make the free Download Manager icon readily accessible, just pin it by clicking on the pin icon next to it. Finally, for the free Download Manager extension to work at its full potential, it's crucial to have the full version of the free Download Manager installed on your computer. This desktop application will seamlessly integrate with the Chrome extension, allowing you to handle and accelerate downloads efficiently. Thank you for watching, and with these steps, you should now have the free Download Manager extension successfully added to your Google Chrome browser, enabling faster and more organized downloads.